push-up. Alright guys, so key points of performance for the push-up. This exercise in planks is one of the things I hear the most often. Is like, oh, I was doing that wrong all the time. So I'm going to teach you how to do it properly today. I want to start with your hands first. Get in the habit of having a big base, meaning your fingers are spread wide. So as you get stronger and you get better, this can lead into even handstand position work. So number one still, get in the habit of externally rotating your hands so that when you do push-ups, your elbows aren't going out. You're intentionally screwing them in. You'll see that more. What that does to my shoulder here is it pulls it all back. Turns on my lats, get the triceps in a good position, and I'm being intentional with my arms. The second thing I want to focus on is blocking in my core, because just like every other exercise, you want to be using your entire body and being strong throughout it. So I got here, I'm locked in. Number two, I don't want you to arch your back or even be supported. I want you to be engaged by locking in your core and intentionally tucking, squeezing your glutes, getting into a strong ribs down position. So I go arms, I go rib cage, and then if you think about feet, when we talk about core, that also means your glutes. If you bring your feet together and you make your heels touch, it's going to help you turn on your glutes more. Arms, core, feet together, turns on my glutes. If you notice this position, shoulders are stacked over here, not out in front here. Get on right at top. I'm intentionally rounding out my spine because that means I'm locked into my core. I'm pushing the floor away. Replicating the exact same position as the hollow body I always talk about. And this shaping is what we want to replicate in just about all of our movements. So the actual push-up starts in that big rounded position. I can feel that in my core already. And then from here, take the chest in front of your hands or right between them. Squeezing the glutes on the way down, pushing round. So often I see like when people are in push-up position, they're just being in a support position here and just cranking them out here. But if you look, I have no core engagement. Get in the habit of rounding out, and as you're going down too, try to keep this tucked so you can keep your core turned on versus letting this go and just cranking out the triceps. Make it a total body exercise. That's how to do push-up properly. Get after it.